Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today I have a box. This box came from Michael Jenkins. After seeing the cheap jackknife picks the American 1100 with the 410 core in it, kindly offered to send me a American 1100 that has the proper American 1100 core in it. So we arranged a swap, which unfortunately I haven't actually sent his out yet because I bought something to put in his package that's not arrived yet. So I'm kind of waiting on that, then it'll be straight out. But let's see what's in here.
I'll let you open it.
Have some packing material.
Bubble wrap.
Have some packing material.
It's called bubble wrap.
Some packing material.
Bubble wrap.
And a bag, and we can get rid of the box. That's what I've been after.
Excited.
I am. I want to know what all the fuss is about. As well, I'm going to have trouble with this because they have some serrated pins in.
You're not very good with straight pins.
I am not very good at all with serrated pins. Not only has he sent us an American 1100, but he's also sent us an American 1100.
I got confused there. My brain took a second to realise what you were talking about there. So we sent you two American 1100s. This isn't 1100. This isn't 1100. This isn't an 1100. That's an 1100. This one isn't an 1100. You're going to ask us how?
Because it has 1105 written on the
Yeah,
back.
because it's 1105. So you're wrong. It's not an 1100. It's 1105.
Has a key. It's a bit like on that one.
How come when you're opening boxes, Puppy's perfectly happy and fine?
Fitting's not bad on that. He's not. Do you remember when we opened that package from Coxie?
What is he doing? He's chewing on his dinosaur.
It's some interesting bitten on that one.
He's chewing on a dragon, not a dinosaur. What's a stiffen?
I know at least one of these is pre-master lock. I don't know if it's one of or both of them. Can I have a look at that, please?
I'm looking at it though. God, you're so mean.
Yeah, at least one of them's pre-master lock. I'm not sure which one or if it is both. And weirdly enough, when I very first started picking locks, I wanted to pick one of these.
Smells like oily stuff, but mint as well. It's weird.
So I remember that blueberry scented chain lube that I got from a motorbike once.
And the pineapple one.
Yeah, why do you need blueberry scented motorbike chain lube?
Because when you're cleaning it, you needs to smell nice.
I say. Anyway, when I first started picking, I wanted one of these. It's a Wilson Bohannon. I didn't know this was going to be in this package.
And now you've got one.
That's a nice surprise because I didn't know this was coming.
I love when you get excited because you can never tell whether you're excited or not. Anyone else listening will be like, oh, he sounds so excited. But actually, I genuinely know you're really excited.
I am quite excited about this one.
But you don't ever tell it. You can never tell with your voice. Your voice is always the
Like,
same.
There's 3 locks in this package. Two 1100s, which I knew were coming, which are fantastic. I've been wanting to pick one of these for ages, and when mine came, there weren't 1100s, and I was annoyed.
After the hassle we took to get it as well, because like they took like forever to get you because they didn't have the colour you wanted.
No, that was a different lock. They had colour problems with.
Yeah, but they delayed the whole package.
Yeah, they delayed the whole package. It took us ages to find somewhere that could get us them. Then when I found them, I ordered some, and they took 6 weeks to arrive. And then had
6 weeks to arrive after like 3 weeks of me chasing them, going, "Where's my package? It was meant to be here."
And then they arrived and I had Master 401 colours. Yeah, now I have my proper American 1100s. And I have a Wilson Bohannon as well, which is a nice surprise.
And that's off Michael. No,
Michael Jenkins.
Michael Jenkins. Thank you, Michael Jenkins. Made me very excitable.
Yes, you have. I'm going to take them to work with me tonight.
It's not Wilson Bowen.
Bohannon.
It's not. It's not. It's Warner Brothers. Do you remember Warner Brothers in Newcastle? Used to have that. Did you ever go to the Warner Brothers in Newcastle when it was there? The cinema.
As in the cinema?
Yeah, there was a Warner Brothers cinema. You know where the university is now?
I know
on the
there was
outside.
a Warner Brothers shop in the Metro Centre.
No, there was a Warner Brothers cinema. When I was younger, it's where the university used to is now. You know where they built the big university that literally set on fire within like days of the build finishing it.
No.
Do you remember that? Oh, you're not from Newcastle.
No, I'm from Durham.
Yeah. Posh, lordy dog. But yeah, no, they knocked down the Warner Brothers studios because it used to be Warner Brothers Studios and it was a cinema. And I remember it must have been like because we went to see Lord of the Rings there, I believe. Was it Lord of the Rings? Was it Harry Potter? One of them. I remember going to see that, and then when we used to go, because we used to go to the rugby with my dad, and there was one of the rugby players that we used to call Sideshow Bob because he had Sideshow Bob hair from The Simpsons, and it was pretty much like my sister was stalking the poor guy because everywhere he went, she was there. And we bumped into him at the cinema. It was so funny because it was like she's blatantly stalking him, but she's only like I think 8 at the time, so. But it was funny. I remember that.
On that note, that's all from us.
Come on, Pop.
See you next time.
Come on, Pop. I love when he creeps. Come on in.
Apparently we're not seeing you next time yet.
Not yet. Come on in. Now you can see him next time. Say bye, Pop.
Bye, Pop.
Pop needs to be seen. Ow! Can you see him?
Yep.
Pop. What's this? Say bye. You say bye.
Anyway, that's all from us. See you next time.
Bye. It's never boring when Tank is here. What are you laughing at? He's just having a dance.
So.